Good morning, everyone. There you go. Good morning. Thank you for joining us for this ribbon cutting ceremony to welcome the Community Services Department to their new home as part of the Glendale Elementary School District System of Care Center. My name is Michelle Yates, Deputy Director of Community Services, and I'm excited to see each and every one of you here today. What a great looking audience that we have, including several dignitaries. Let's take a moment to recognize our city leaders. We have City of Glendale Mayor Jerry P. Wires, Vice Mayor Ian Hugh of the Cactus District. Let's see here. Councilmember Joyce Clark for the Yucca District. Councilmember Leonardo Baldenegro of the Ocotillo District. Leandro. There you go. I'm gonna get it. And we have Glendale Elementary School District Superintendent, Miss Cindy Sagata Jones. At this time, it's my pleasure to introduce our first speaker, Glendale Elementary School District Superintendent, Miss Cindy Sagata Jones, to share a few words.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you. Truly my honor to be here. Mayor, thank you so much for this opportunity and this partnership. It's an incredible partnership we have for this community. Let me talk a little bit about how this came about, the system of care. Unfortunately, back in 2020, right before that, even years prior, we knew the Glendale Elementary School District was facing declining enrollment. We had some difficult decisions to make. The governing board supported that we needed to close 5 elementary schools within our district boundaries. This was formerly Coyote Ridge School, one of the schools that closed. It was important to us that when we closed schools, that those children that were attending the other schools that were closed did not lose continuity in education, but more importantly, they did not lose continuity in services that were being provided at the school level. We had family advocates at school levels. We ran food boxes out of schools as well as social services for our students. It was critical that when our students were being bused to other schools, that they would not lose those services. It was important we gave back to the community, and so the governing board made the decision that we would close Coyote Ridge, but we would repurpose this building as a system of care. We've always provided services to our community. It started at the district office with a family hub. We had a couple staff members. We serviced 0 to 5 students with beginning their early literacy. We ran food distribution twice a month with a partnership with St. Mary's School, or St. Mary's Food Bank, with our schools. And we were so proud at that time. We were servicing about 150 members in a household with about 60 boxes every 2 weeks. We thought that was a great day for us. Now here at Systems of Care, we're servicing 350 boxes. About 2,000 people in those households receive meals and distributions every 2 weeks here at a System of Care. This System of Care still has our social services programs. It has a medical unit program as well. Just lots of literacy programs for our students and counseling for our students and families as well. It's been an incredible journey. We have over 30 different partnerships, and we're so excited now that the city of Glendale is here to complete those services for our families. It truly is a one-stop hub for this community, and we couldn't be more proud of all our partnerships, but more importantly, we're so proud to partner and let you see Building E. It's an incredible building, and the community, I would like you to know there's just more services that will be available to you as well as the students, and that's the most important thing for us. We know that in order for children to be successful and be productive, that they have to be, their body and their needs need to be taken care of as a whole child. That can't happen unless their needs are taken care of first before they can begin learning. This facility helps them and their families to begin that start so they will thrive in the community. We know when you are educated, you are a productive member of the community, and it helps with our community grow into an incredible workforce, and that's what we want for the students and families in Glendale Elementary School District. Again, I couldn't be more proud to serve and honor as a superintendent. At this time, I'd like to welcome Honorable Mayor Wires. Thank you so much.
Okay. So I asked my wife this morning if she had any idea how hot it was supposed to get. She said it's like 93 degrees. But the little thing after it says feels like 4,000. So, yeah, it does too. I want to begin by thanking Superintendent Jones. Thank you, everyone else, for being here to help us celebrate our power of partnerships. I'm incredibly proud of what's happening here today with the City of Glendale Community Services Department becoming an anchor tenant here at the elementary school district system continuum of care. The cornerstone of my tenure as mayor of Glendale has always been to develop innovative partnerships within the public sector. Hold on a second. I didn't write that. My staff wrote that. That has always been an initiative, but I can't take credit for this. This is Jean, where are you at? This is Jean. It is. Her heart, her passion, everything she has done to try to improve the lives of the people in Glendale, this is her baby. And so, Jean, I'm not taking credit for this. You're getting the credit for this one. Okay? All right, so anyway, so I should have said a cornerstone of Jean's tenure has been to develop an innovative partnerships within the public sector and private sector to improve services for our residents. Jean, thank you. We could not develop these productive partnerships without our staff, and I wanted to take a moment to thank everyone who has helped put all this together. I also want to give a special shout out to Michelle Yates. Michelle's enthusiasm and dedication to the people of Glendale perfectly reflects our motto, and that's improving the lives of the people that we serve each and every day. Speaking of perfect, this project is a perfect example of why partnerships are so critical to improving the lives of the very people that we all serve. The fact that the city's services are provided here at this facility go an awful long way with the variety of health, education, vocational services. It's a testament to the commitment to being a part of the practical solution for Glendale citizens. Thank you, Glendale Elementary School, for your opportunity. We're looking for a very long-lasting partnership. I'm also looking for it to cool off. This is ridiculous. Yeah. So it's my pleasure now to turn the mic over to Jared Kearns. Jared, where are you at? Thank you.
I have no hot jokes prepared, so I'm just going to go straight in. Thank you, Mayor Wires, for having us all out here and for your speech. I wanted to give you a little background to how we all came together. We definitely love partnering with Glendale Elementary School District and the City of Glendale. When I started with Chase about 2.5 years ago, we were starting to develop a really kind of basic relationship with the City of Glendale. We were installing some TVs, putting in some circuits through our job order contracting program. We started, probably, I got a call about a year and a half ago or so, or actually probably about 2 years ago, and they asked us to renovate Rose Lane Community Center. So Carlisle and I dug into that. Carlisle, somewhere around here, he was a superintendent on this project. We dug into that. It was an addition and a TI for Rose Lane Community Center. It's a great project, and one thing that we really love about the City of Glendale is the teamwork and collaboration. Mayor, you hit on it about that team effort, that collaboration, working together. We brought that project home. It was a really feel-good project with a brand new community center, and we came in under budget with, construction budgets being what they've been the last few years is a pretty amazing feat. So it was a really good project for us. At the same time, during that project, we were here on this campus renovating Building A and Building C with Glendale Elementary School District, so continuing to develop that relationship and that collaboration. And I got a call about this time last year from the City of Glendale asking if we wanted to partner with them and Architecton to bring this project together. And it was a great opportunity. I was so excited to work on a community services facility like this with such a great team. It was just an amazing opportunity. One of our mottos at Chase is that we're built different, and it's true. One of the things I noticed when I came on a few years ago at Chase is the collaborative culture that we have and the clients that we look for and the teams that we look for to build with. And when I found out we were working with Architecton and an opportunity again to work with Glendale, and Glendale L was just, it's all of those things that we're looking for. Working with Joanna, Eddie and Edgar and Michelle, Anna and Doug Brown. Joanna and her maintenance staff have been great, but I don't know if you all know this, when we first sat down, it was probably about 30% design, and we started this collaborative process much before construction. We were just starting to talk about what we were going to build here, and we were pretty significantly over budget, and it's really easy in those situations to just kind of be frustrated to where are we going to get the money from, but Architecton dug in, our pre-con, Cheek and Matt just dug in, and how can we bring this home? And Eddie and Edgar making sure that we stayed in their program, like, hey, this is what we need to, no matter what you guys do with your number and your design, this is what we've got to provide. And everybody really chipped in, and by the time we went from 30% design and we added and got to a completed design, we cut about 25% of the budget out by the time we got to construction. And this market, that's pretty incredible. And that's really a testament to the teamwork and the vision that was put into this project, and really appreciate Glendale, Architecton, Glendale Elementary School District in that effort to bring us home. It really was a great process. Giving back to Arizona communities is core to our mission at Chase. And again, realizing that we were going to be working on a community services facility, it just is a great opportunity for us to put that core mission into an actual project and not just a charity event. But from what I understand, we're bringing 4 different community services groups from around Glendale into one facility. And some of those facilities they've been working in, and this is just rumor, so somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but I've heard they haven't been updated since 1963. That's older than I am. That's pretty old. You're younger than me by 10 years, probably. So to provide a home for people that work every day to improve the lives of the families and the students in this area is such a great opportunity and really a good success story. And to finish it without any change orders to the owner. We haven't seen anything go over budget that we established originally back in, I think it was January of last year when we established our final budget, is really a testament to the team, because stuff happens, things happen. You know, we start digging, we find something we didn't expect, and Architecton dug in, and we dug in, and we found solutions, and Edgar's been great, and everybody's just been an amazing team to work with. Being part of this project has just been really extremely heartwarming, especially when you consider how excited this team is to move in. I'm really excited for the ribbon to be cut, everybody to run in. I'm going to stand to the side. I don't want to be trampled. So it's just, we're really excited to be here, and we're thankful for the opportunity to build what's more than just a building, but what's going to be a home to the people who work here. With that, I'll hand this over to Jean Moreno, the Community Services Director.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being here today. Today would not have been possible without this partnership. I have to say thank you to Cindy and Dr. Lafitte and Dennis. Working with you on this vision has just been incredibly rewarding for me. It's very exciting for my team. But to the council, you believed in me, you believed in this mission, you believed in what we were trying to accomplish, and I can't thank you enough for your support. And all of my team that's here today feels it too, so thank you. And then to my boss, Vicki Rios, when I first brought this to her, she was like, okay, yeah, let's talk to Kevin. And Kevin was absolutely, Kevin, our city manager, was absolutely on board. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here today, which made me sad because I really wanted, to share this joy with him today. But I will tell you that the joy that I have today seeing all of you, and the joy that I'm going to see on your faces when you see this amazing facility, is going to probably make me cry, and that's okay. But we serve all of you. You know who you are. You serve vulnerable populations. It's a very, very difficult job to do. It's so hard. And I see what you do every day, and I see how much work and energy you put into it. And you deserve to have a space that is elevated and sophisticated. And thanks to Architecton, that's exactly what you're getting today. And thanks to Chase for sharpening the pencil and helping us get it done and across the finish line. There's so many people to thank. Engineering, Edgar, amazing. Kyle, our IT guy. You guys are helping make this happen today, and I'm truly, truly honored and thankful for all of the work that's gone into it. I know there's many, many more people that have been involved, and I want you to know that you have a part in making sure that when we welcome clients into this building, they are going to feel safe, they're going to feel comfortable, and we are going to be able to provide them with an exceptional level of service. So thank you very much for being here today. We are going to, I know I'm the last thing between you and an air-conditioned building, so we're going to quickly cut a ribbon. But then what's really important is I want everyone to come up here. We're going to take a photo, because that photo is going to be memorialized in this building, and you'll see where shortly. So Cindy, Dr. Lafitte, Council, let's cut a ribbon.
1, 2, 3. Community services.